I just had my first $50,000 month with my online business. Now in this video, I want to show you my simple 3-step process on how you can build a successful online business. Now, this is the same framework I've used as an affiliate marketer, as a course creator, and as a coach. And I want to show you exactly how you can implement this today and how powerful this simple 3-step system is. Now, before I show you the process, the proof, and just the whole system itself, I just want to say thank you guys so much for following me throughout this journey. I remember my first $1 day. I remember my first $100 day. I remember my first $1,000 day, and now my first $50,000 a month. And this is just insane, guys. You know, I started as an electrical engineer, you know, working my 9-to-5 job. I started this side hustle in May of 2019, and I never thought I'd get to this point. It's just momentum. I've been able to grow my business at an exponential rate. And I want to help you guys do the same. I want to show you the exact thing that I'm doing. And the cool thing is I'm doing the same thing that I've done when I had my $100 days and my $100 months and my $2 months. So I want to show you this exact process today. I think this is going to be very valuable. And guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to start a successful online business with affiliate marketing. But the main goal of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to full-time affiliate marketer in just 9 months of starting my online business. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get into the actual content. Now, before I show you the 3-step process, I just want to show you proof that I made over $50,000. As you can see here, April 1st through April 30th. I can just change this here, and then if I go through April 1st through April 30th, you can see over $54,000. Now, again, I want to show you the 3-step process, and at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you a bonus of what I'm doing to actually increase my sales from the last month. As you can see here, last month we did over $26,000, and we pretty much doubled that with the new month. So I want to show you exactly what I'm doing now at the end of the video as well. Now, step number 1 is you need a core offer, okay? Whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you're a course creator, whatever that is, you need that core offer. This is really important. And I know you've probably heard this a million times, but it's really important that you stand behind an offer that you really believe in. I remember when I started in the health and fitness niche a long time ago, I was promoting this core offer, but I didn't really believe in it. It was hard to get behind that offer. And it's really important that you find an offer that, you know, you really believe in, that you would promote to your grandma, to your mom, because that's the offer that your whole business is going to be built around. Now, when I started as an affiliate marketer, my main core offer was Legendary Marketer. They were the core offer, but I was still able to build my business and brand, my email list around that core offer. Now, with this business model here, again, this works for an affiliate marketer, it works for a course creator, but let me take you inside my business here because I want to show you my core offer in this particular case. And I'm also going to show you how you could even partner with me and how you could promote this as your own at the end of this video as well. Okay, so this is my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is where I teach people how to start an online business. A lot of people have seen success with this, and this is doing very well right now. This is my core offer at the moment. Okay, now what happens here is people get into my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, but the thing I want you guys to understand is I'm building out this system. Okay, so that's step number 2, is we have to build out the system. This is how I build out my system on autopilot, right? I can literally take the next 4 months off and this system would still be working. And whether you're an affiliate, you're a course creator, this system will work as long as you create it the right way. And I want to show you exactly how to do that. This whole thing is on autopilot, okay? So what happens here is people go to this initial page, okay? This is called an opt-in page. Now the goal of this is to build my email list. That's literally the main reason why I've been able to grow my income since I've started my online business. That's the main thing I teach, you know, affiliate marketers, course creators. This is the biggest thing that you need to understand is building your email list, okay? Now, the reason being, and I'm going to show you inside my email list here. So this is my email list here. You know, you can see we've done almost 70,000 emails. This is really big because now I can literally print money. I can send an email to those 70,000 people, whether it's my product, whether it's an affiliate product that I'm promoting. This is my email list, right? No one can take that away. My YouTube channel can possibly be shut down. My TikTok, my Instagram, those could all be taken away from me. I don't own those platforms, but an email list, that is your email list. Like, even if GetResponse, the email list that I'm using, or the autoresponder I'm using, even if they were to shut me down for whatever reason, by law, they have to give me that email list, okay? This is my asset. So that being said, I want to create this automated system that works on autopilot, okay? So number one, again, we have the core offer. Number two, we build out the system. Now the system is really important, okay? This is what I want to show you guys. Once people opt in, right? Once people enter their email on this page, then they go into this automated sequence where, let's just say they didn't buy the product. I'm sending them an email that gets them to buy the product on the, throughout this whole sequence here. Now, one thing I want to mention is I'm not always sending an email to buy the offer, okay? And I think that's where a lot of people get it wrong, okay? What I do is I like to send, let's just say an offer here. Okay, right here we got value, so this is like free video. Right here we have another one where it's value. Right here we have a testimonial. Okay, so that's basically how I'm running my business. I'm not just going, hey, offer, and wearing out my email list. I'm creating a relationship with the people that enter their email address. I think that's a huge deal when you're creating your email list. You don't want people to stop opening your emails, because the less people open your emails, the less money you're gonna make, and you work really hard to build that email list, okay? Now, this is step number two, is right, getting this whole system built out. You can see we have a ton of emails, and this takes time to build, right? This takes time to, to build out, to write the emails. If you have content in this email, you have to create the content for it. So yes, it does take time, but this is part of building a successful business. And this is the exact same thing that I've been doing since I started my online business. Now, step number three is getting traffic, right? Is being able to create content to get people to that automated system, right? This is my automated system here. As you can see, we have multiple programs in here, multiple upsells, multiple ways to make money throughout this whole business model here, okay? Now, creating content is what got me to 6 figures in the first place. What I continue to do, as you can see, every single day I'm posting videos, right? You can see I'm like, even multiple times a day I'm posting content. And I want you guys to understand that building a business is not easy, right? Especially an online business. It's super lucrative. Like, you can build a massive amount of income, like, fairly quickly. I've been able to, hit my first $50,000 month since May of 2019. A little under 2 years. I think that's a good thing, right? And I've been able to quit my job, all that good stuff. So you can grow fairly quickly. I think, to me, it's been super quick, and it's just been blowing my mind. But what I'm doing is I'm staying consistent. You can see I post content every single day. Now, what type of content should I post, right? That's a good question. So what I always say is just model success, right? So one of my mentors, or one guy that I really follow, is someone like Franklin Hatchett, right? He's one of the best affiliate marketers in my opinion. I go look at his content, I see what type of content is he creating, and how can I make something similar, right? How can I model success? And if you go through my content, you'll see that I model success, right? Obviously, I put my own spin on it. I put my own stories, but I model success. I see the type of thumbnails he's using. I see the type of keywords, and I'm gonna model success. And that's exactly what I'm doing when I'm creating content on YouTube. Now, this is the same process for TikTok, right? I model success. I go to people like Brian Brewer, Adrian Bambila, guys that I think are crushing it in the affiliate space, right? Spencer Meekum, right? So I go and I see what they're doing, and I go and model success. It's a very simple formula, but most people will never understand that concept, right? They'll try to reinvent the wheel. And guys, I promise you, if you just model success, you're gonna see success as long as you stay consistent. Now, that's the other thing. You have to stay consistent. As you can see here, I'm continuing to post content every single day. Now, I'm not saying you have to post content every single day, but you have to pick a schedule and stay on that schedule, whether it's once a week, twice a week, whatever it is. Continue to stay on that schedule. Now, this is the simple 3-step system that I've used since I've started as an affiliate marketer, as a course creator. This is the exact same thing I've been doing since I started my business. Now, like I said, it does take time to build out the emails, to build out the content, but how would you like to partner with me? How would you like to tap into this exact same system and that you could get 50% of the commissions? Well, you could actually join my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I'll teach you how to do this yourself, how to build your own email list, but at the same time, you could also promote this as your own product. So if you guys want to join, I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can join the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. Now, there's one more thing that I'm doing, and this is something that I've been doing for the past few months, okay? And that's running YouTube ads, okay? This is the only thing different that I'm doing since I've started my business. I want to show you guys inside look of my YouTube ad account here, okay? So this is my YouTube ad account here. You can see we spent about $9,000 in the last 30 days, April 1st to the 30th, the same time frame from, when I made, $54,000, okay? So what's going on here is now I'm running ads to grow my business, okay? So this is the same thing that I'm doing, but I'm just running ads to my offer. Now what's cool is I can actually run ads to cold traffic, meaning people have never seen my name, but I can also run ads to people that maybe visited my pages and they didn't buy. So this is where you can start retargeting people with ads. Now, I always say don't get into ads until you have your free organic content working for you, meaning your YouTube channel, your TikTok, whatever your free organic content is, make sure that's making you money first before you get into ads. The reason being is because when I first started, I got into ads and I actually lost a lot of money just because I didn't know how to market. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what a value ladder was. And basically a value ladder is, someone gets in at a very small price, right? Let's just say $7, and then they go through your value ladder. Maybe there's a $100 product and then a $200 product, $1,000 product, right? And that's how you really be successful. That's how you're successful with ads, is having a really good value ladder. But I didn't understand that in the beginning. Now, what I recommend is just create content, guys. And I know that sounds hard, but trust me, that's literally changed my life. I've been able to go from an electrical engineer to, doing this full time, and this has been a dream come true. Like, I'm not even playing. This has been a dream come true. Having financial freedom, time freedom to do what I want when I want. Now, if you've already gone through my 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, but you want to take it to the next level, you want to start introducing paid ads, whether it's cold ads or retargeting, I'm coming out with a brand new YouTube ads training absolutely free for the first few that are on the waiting list. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in the YouTube description to that new YouTube ads training I'm coming out with, okay? You'll get on the waiting list, and then when the training is out, I'm gonna release it to the first 100 people on that list. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the YouTube description. Now, if you don't have a business, if you don't know how to build an email list, I recommend going through my 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, where I'm gonna show you exactly how to build an email list, how to start creating content, and how to find an offer. That's gonna be what I recommend if you are just starting out and you have no idea how to build your business from scratch. I'm gonna show you exactly click by click how to do that with the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube videos. I really appreciate the support. Please comment down below if you have any questions at all, and I would love to help you guys out. We'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless.